Tornos is a story of dream to belief that started out in 1994. We started out as an experiential tour company, and it was a time when experiential travel was virtually unknown to people in India. Of course, it was quite difficult for us to explain to people what experiential travel is all about, but we've come quite far. And today our heritage walk, the culinary walk and the culinary experiences are quite top of the line, highly recommended rather, by Condé Nast Traveler, Lonely Planet, National Geographic and so many other travel magazines. Walking tours, our experiences are quite well researched, well planned and well formed. So when you are taking a culinary walk, for example, so expect a chef himself leading this culinary walk. It's not done by a general tourist guide. So that's the major difference, how we differentiate with other tour companies. Our craft tours, for example, the Threads of Lucknow is another high point for the guests visiting who want to have a hands-on experience on the delicate embroidery which is called chikan or the zari or the mukesh. Our specializations have been, of course, gastronomy, history, culture and craft. Another very unique sphere that we are working on is the uprising of 1857, which is a huge subject and a lot has been written about it, including the places in Lucknow and Kanpur. So we have many tours that we have framed around it, and all these tours are led by expert guides who have specialized in this particular subject of the Indian uprising of 1857. Heritage Walk is taking you to an area that is still kind of a living museum of crafts in Lucknow. We take you to certain nook and corners of Lucknow where you can see the craftsmen at work, where actually the Lucknow of yore lives. So we're doing a lot of activities in the gastronomy sphere, which includes home dining experiences where we're taking you to different homes and you get to try out the menu that is curated by the family itself and you're dining there. So it's sort of first-hand experience of cuisine that you are getting at these homes. The punchline of our logo itself says the nostalgic experience. So it is indeed nostalgic when people travel through us and experience all our experiential tours that interest them. And we are always happy to work out special tours, tailor-make the itineraries and work on their requirements.